Okay, good day, my beautiful students. I go by the name kossydgreat. Today, I am going to answer this problem that we have on the board, and the question is coming from differentiation. Okay, now I am going to provide a short trick to solve this problem, and the question says if y is equal to sine in bracket of length x square close bracket, then find y dx. How do we solve a problem in this form? The first thing you have to do is what to put down your solution, okay? So we have solution. In this solution, write your function, and the function is y equal to sine of what? Ln x square, okay? Without wasting much of your time, what are you going to do? First of all, bring out this person out, set it as what u. So u is equal to ln of what? X square. Okay, so in this case, we are going to find du dx, u with respect to x. Now, to find u with respect to x, it means that we are going to differentiate this function. And I told you in one of my videos that whenever you are differentiating length of any function, the short way of doing that is what? To differentiate this function you are seeing here divided by the function, okay? So to differentiate this function, we are going to have this x squared. To differentiate it, we are going to have 2x, okay? Because we have x squared, so bring out these 2 out, we have 2. We have, write your x, minus this 2, 1, we have 1. So we are going to have 2x. Then divide this function, divide whatever you have there by this function, which is what? X squared. That is the y dx. I come again, whenever you want to differentiate this, bring out the function you have there, the function of x you have there, differentiate it, and divide it by that function, okay? So when we differentiated this, we get what? 2x. Now we are dividing it by this function, which is what? 2x squared, okay? So finally, you can see that something can cancel. And what is that thing? Du dx will give us what? Something can cancel, and that thing is what? X cancel itself 1. This one we have what? 2 over what? X, okay? So this is for du dx when you differentiate this. Now the next thing you are going to do is what? Say that y is equal to, write this. Write this. The whole of this function is what we call u. So we have u. Now let's differentiate y with respect to u. So to do that, we have dy du is equal to, if you differentiate sine, you are going to get what? Cos. Cos of what? You have u, okay? So since we have gotten dy du, y with respect to u, and u with respect to x, to find dy dx, what are we going to do? Dy dx will give us what? Du dx times dy du, okay? So what is du dx? Du dx is what? 2 over x multiplied by, what is du? Okay, what is dy du? Dy du is what? Cos of what? U. So which will finally give us what? This time this will give us what? 2 over what? S cos of what is u? Remember that u is said to be what? The whole of u is equal to the whole of this. We have what? Ln of what? S square, okay? So how do we write this? This is our answer. Then another way you can write this thing is what? 2 is this over, which is the denominator is what? X is your denominator. So we put minus to show denominator. So how many x do we have there? We have 1, okay? So we are going to have cos of, this is what? Ln of what? S square. So you can see, another way of writing this thing you are seeing here is this way. So we have cos of what? Ln of S square. So this and this are what? The same thing. I hope you watch this wonderful video. See you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.